First, remove and set aside the front tire and additional pieces. Now that the bike has a clear path to be removed from the box, lift the bike out of the box onto a soft surface or bike stand for assembly. With the cutting device, remove the protective foam and wrapping from the bike. Be cautious of wires and paint while cutting the zip ties. After removing the foam packaging, locate the keys for the two batteries. One pair should be attached to the handlebars and the second bubble wrapped alongside the rear battery. With the provided key, insert and unlock the rear battery from the bike so that we can charge while we assemble. First, connect the input plug of the charger to the battery port. Plug the charger into the wall outlet, and then by flipping the switch, place the battery into the on position. The charger indicator lights will remain red while charging and turn green once complete. With the wider ends facing down, slide the rubber fork seals onto the handlebar. Fully insert the handlebar into the steering stem and fasten the bolts in an alternating pattern to evenly distribute torque. Next, we will assemble the front wheel. Carefully roll the bike onto its back side. Remove the plastic fork guard and brake pad protector. Guide the wheel into the front fork, making sure the disc rotor sits in between the brake pads and the axle bolt sits flush in the fork arms. Ensure that the torque washers sit within the grooves of the fork. Place torque arms and designated screws on both sides of the axle. Insert and tighten both the tire bolts and the protective caps with a 22mm wrench. Connect and tighten the motor cable by aligning the arrows and pushing together. Next, identify the left and right pedals. The left pedal has a reverse thread that tightens counterclockwise, and the right pedal, imprinted R, tightens by rotating clockwise. First, thread the pedals by hand and then fasten with a 15mm pedal wrench. After the pedals are the passenger foot pegs. Use an Allen wrench and 18mm wrench to fasten. Now we're going to return the bike to the upright position to attach the fender and headlight. Make sure to set the fender as high and out of the way of the tire as possible. If necessary, loosen the headlight bracket. Hold the headlight in place while screwing in both bolts. Retighten the headlight bracket if it was loosened in the last step. Connect the power cord by aligning the arrows. Finally, reinsert your batteries and lock.